Hi, it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome back to my channel where I make a lot of cake and cookie decorating tutorials as well as give a lot of baking business tips. So today I have a really quick and simple video for you guys. If you saw my community post, then you probably saw that Spider-Man cake that I made. Now, as I was carving that cake, I realized it was a little bit small and it was also all one flavor. So since this is for a party, I definitely wanted to add one more flavor that the kids could choose from. And I also wanted to give the option of cupcakes, just because I find having cupcakes and cake is a different experience. So both of the cupcake designs that I chose to do today are not earth-shatteringly new or anything, but because I went really detailed with my carved Spider-Man cake, I decided to go a little bit simpler on this. And I made sure that this option didn't have any fondant as well, because I sometimes find that partygoers rather have buttercream instead. So I'm using American buttercream, which I know is a little bit unusual for me, but the reason is because I wasn't sure what the weather would be like, and I knew that these would be out for a long time. So just in case, decided to go with American buttercream. I also find that kids generally aren't too discerning about the taste. They just love frosting in general. So that was a really easy design, not too much explanation, more of a visual thing. This is using the same tip that we used before, which was an open star tip, very large open star tip, by the way. And then I'm taking that and putting a little bit of frosting on there and then dipping it into these pearls. Now, these pearls are not solid sprinkles. Anytime I choose to do a full dip like that, I really want to be cognizant of what type of sprinkles I'm using. So I'll generally go for either a non-puree or I'll go for something like this, which is a crisp pearl. And if you've never had that before, it's kind of like eating a Rice Krispie cereal piece that's covered with a light candy coating. And it's really easy on your teeth. Then I decided to go ahead and add on these little Spider-Man rings. Now, if you guys saw my last video, you know I paid quite a bit for these for what they are. So if you plan ahead, you can find a lot of great options on Amazon for things like this. Whenever I'm making desserts for character-based parties, though, I don't always find it imperative to add something like this or even fondant figures or anything like that. I find that Color Palette does also sell the theme as well, especially if there are other depictions of characters throughout the party in different ways. Now let's get into the pricing of these cupcakes, which is very straightforward. A standard cupcake for me generally starts at $3.75 to $4 each. So with all of those custom colors and those little picks, I would charge $4.75 each per cupcake with a minimum order of 24. Now let's get into the subscriber submission of the day. This comes from @baking_and_Broadway. I love monochromatic cakes, so be sure to go and drop them a comment, drop them a like, and follow them on Instagram, as well as check out their YouTube channel. I haven't seen it yet, but I think I'm going to go and check it out right now after I finish editing this video. And if you guys want to be the next featured subscriber on my channel, be sure to follow me at SD Bake Shop on Instagram. Follow me and make sure to tag me or message me whatever photo that you would like featured on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading weekly, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!